Hey guys, today I'm doing another surprise egg video with my friend Allie.
Hey guys.
Get your face in that screen. And yeah, we've got different surprise eggs than last time. Last time we had one frozen egg and four Minion eggs, but now we have 2 Star Wars eggs and 2 frozen eggs. So let's get started. We're gonna start with 1 frozen egg.
Okay.
You don't start. We're both going to start with. This is very weird to open. So the surprise comes out of the egg for some reason. So now we get to taste the chocolate. And then first we're going to open the surprise actually because that's the best thing to do. Then we get to taste the chocolate.
Which is the best part? The chocolate.
Yeah, the chocolate.
The yummiest part.
Allie, you try opening that. I'm going to go get a container.
Ew. This is hard to open. Oh, I got it. Oh, and it.
Oh, there's the surprise. Oh, yeah, guys, we're back. We're back.
Yay.
Who is it?
It's Sven.
Sven. It's
And
Sven.
and his little antlers.
His antlers fell off, but I can. Let me put them back on,
Maybe.
and then I'll show it to you guys.
So there's little Sven.
Yep, there's him.
Cute.
He's cute.
He's my favorite character from Frozen.
Now we get to eat some chocolate, and then we're gonna put the spare chocolate in this container.
Show you how much spare chocolate we have at the end.
Yeah, we're gonna have a lot of spare chocolate.
'Cause
Let's crack it like a regular egg. That didn't work.
Oh!
We broke it into 1,050 pieces.
And some spare chocolate. Mmm.
Mmm.
Good. Mmm. Mmm.
And then we've got all this spare chocolate.
Already.
Where's Ben? Oh, here he is.
So,
And guys, remember last time Elsa broke? We got Queen Elsa and she broke in half. Allie wasn't here for that to happen.
yeah. Now one Star Wars one.
Yeah, I halfway opened this one. Because I thought we were going to open it before the video, and then I'm like, nah. Then the video will be way too short. Oh. It just came in a little, this thing. It didn't come in a little,
Eggy.
it didn't come in a little,
Plastic thing.
it didn't come in a little plastic container. It came in a little bag. I'll go,
Get some scissors.
actually, I think I'll be able to open it like this.
I can if you can't. Okay, got it.
Yep, and we've got this guy. And just to remind you, he's a Star Wars character. I don't know his name.
I wonder if you have Sven already.
I don't have Sven, don't worry.
Do you have
Okay, and then we get to taste the Star Wars chocolate.
And this is showing the egg cover.
Oh, yeah, it's just a Star Wars, and it has a bunch
And
of stars.
this is the frozen.
We can show them on the next one.
Okay.
Yeah.
It ripped. Whatever. Number smack.
There we go. So we have to compare the chocolates.
Mhm.
So
I wonder if
you're going to get that one. Here, and you're going to get that one too. And I'm going to get this one. They taste exactly the same.
I think a Star Wars one tastes a little grosser. A little, not a lot. I don't know how it's different.
It just tastes a little weird. I think the Elsa one's a bit stronger than the Star Wars one.
I mean, the frozen one is like stronger.
I mean, the Frozen one. And this is all the characters you can get from Frozen. And these are the ones you can get from Star Wars. So let's open up another Frozen.
They're so good. I think I like the frozen eggs better. There's our egg.
There's our egg. here's we can show them the Frozen cover. Oh yeah, and yesterday it was Allie's birthday, so in the comment section you might want to say happy birthday, I don't know. And I gave her this, matching bracelets.
I don't have it on right now.
She doesn't have it on right now, and I need to
I hope
open
we
this.
don't get
I think this is Elsa. Yep, and she's broken in half.
Yeah.
Again. Remember last time we brought the same Elsa and the same broken in half? This time it was a little bit easier to put together again. That's who we got. Now we get to eat more chocolate.
Yummy.
I'm going to take a bite out of the top, and you're going to take a bite out of the bottom. So here's the chocolate.
Look at this.
Watch
Nelson.
Watch me, guys. Whoops. I didn't even get to take a bite out of it. How rude of the chocolate.
Okay, I think there's a chocolate piece on the floor. I think.
That has delicious.
What is that? We gotta go in and see this one.
So, yeah.
It's okay, it's not my dad. That was close.
Here. You try some of it.
Yeah. Yeah, the frozen one is definitely stronger. Definitely stronger.
We've got one last surprise egg.
A Star Wars egg. Leftover chocolate.
Oh, look. This one's actually in a little thing.
Ooh. Yes!
We got
R2-D2.
Oh, no, this isn't. Oh, yeah, this is R2-D2. Yeah, we got
so
R2-D2. Oh, this is the right way. Cooper. He'll say hi at the end of the video.
Yep.
This is the flyer for
Sven.
Sven. Oh, wait. No, they come in pieces. They're supposed to come in pieces. Look.
Well, that's interesting.
They're supposed to come in pieces. This is the flyer for our Frozen, and this is the flyer for our Star Wars.
Well, that is
That
really...
was very interesting. Where's the egg? There it is. Let's see if it doesn't break this time, and let's see if I can take a bite out of it.
Oh!
You can take a bite out of the bottom. It's okay. He's fine.
It's kind of weird. Okay. That was it.
Koopy, you want to say hi in the video?
Yeah, come here. Come here. Hey, guys.
Bye-bye. Yeah, bye, guys.
Bye-bye.